Greetings fellow souls. In this video we're going to be having a look at this idea of getting extra Bing points on your cell phone. Well, the idea of this is that when you go into your Bing Rewards app, you'll see that you've got points for desktop viewing, you've got the points for mobile phone viewing, and I'm not sure what this one is, but I don't think my Bing account's quite eligible for that right now. Anyway, you might assume that if you only have a mobile phone, you can only perhaps claim the Bing points for browsing via a mobile, and you might not have the option for a laptop. But you can indeed, as a matter of fact, get the laptop points on your phone as well. And I'm going to show you how this is done, and it seems to be working as of the 25th of September. Okay, so what we do, we exit the Bing app. We're going to just go into the regular browser. Now I'm using a Samsung branded phone, so this will be Samsung Internet, but in most cases, if not all cases, it should be the default browser that your phone uses. So we're going to go onto the browser, and when we go into the browser, okay, we'll find that we are on the Microsoft Bing search webpage, not Google. Make sure you're on Microsoft Bing, otherwise you're not going to be able to get Bing points if you're not looking on anything other than Bing. And what we have here, we have this option down here. We press that little square as I just did with my thumb here, and you've got this button. You should have something that says mobile site and desktop site. If you go on the mobile site, it will show the mobile version of the site. Now we need to get back to desktop site, okay? Oops, pressed the wrong thing there. It's this button, it says desktop site. You need to be on the desktop site mode for this to work. So we press this again to make sure we're on desktop site. You'll know about this because then all the writing should look really quite tiny and perhaps difficult to read. Okay. Now if we remember where we were in the Bing app, which we can have a look by going to split screen view mode. Bing, Bing. My gosh, I've installed a lot of rubbish on it. Bing. Where's Bing? Bing. Okay, right, so daily points. How many points do we have? I cannot remember how many points he's got. Right, we have 12 out of 90 for the desktop score, 27 out of 60 for the mobile score. Okay. Let's make sure we exit that to be sure. Right. So we're in the browser, we're in our default web browser. We've made sure that it's set to desktop mode. And we're going to run a search. You can search for anything you like here, just make sure it's Bing search. We'll just type in anything that's topical of the interest. Just try that. Just type in anything you like, anything of your interests, and that hopefully will increase our score. So we're going to get out of the browser, we're going to go back to the Bing app, and there we go, we've got an increase in score. 15 out of 90 instead of 12 out of 90. So there you go, that's how you can get desktop points on your mobile phone. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was useful to you. I'll see you again in a video. Take care of yourselves.